Hey guys, welcome to Super Dad's channel. I'm the new guy on his channel, but he has a decent channel. I do also live and speed. If you check my channel, I'm gonna put the links on the description, right? But I'm very excited to be in his channel. And actually, the speaker, the 6-feet speaker you see on a high-end speaker, he built for me. I was spending around $10,000 for the speaker. I love to listen to music and the high-end music. So I came up with the idea, but I tried to build myself the first. It was crazy, right? Story. It's gonna be on my channel, all the full stories, right? And when I see how he's building all that stuff, I'm next to near for that. So I called him up. I asked him, brother, help me to build the nice speakers. So of course he put up all the works, and he told me like, yeah, well, let's do it. So how it was 2 weeks of work.
Yeah, it was a big challenge for me, and one day he called me and he said he wants to build a speaker by himself with one drill and one saw.
I had the one drill, one saw. Actually, I was borrowing some couple tools from him and built this beast, right? So we built it. Let's see how we made it on his channel, and we're gonna do the time lapse
with 2 tools.
With 2 tools, yeah.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it won't be the last one. You'll see my new videos, new speakers.
Actually, he loved it, so he's gonna build a lot more this kind of speakers and very interesting stuff. All right, guys, we're here with the Super Daddy. We're choosing some amplifiers. He's playing all the amplifiers, the receivers, and the tons of speakers. So definitely on his channel, we're gonna came up with this all the idea how to create. He's finding all the ideas how to bring up the best, speaker. To see that, like how to build the best speaker. He never did that before, but he's looking and he says like 1 to 3 is the build. So we're gonna see it. What's gonna happen next.
Speaker.